Welcome back. In this video we will learn about condition statements. So let's create some vectors. I'm creating A as 2, B as 10, C as C1 to 4. Suppose if I want to check if any of the elements of a certain vector is greater than some specific value, I can do it like this. Is any of C greater than B? The answer should come out as false. Is any of C greater than A? True. Say if I want to check if all of the elements of C is greater than or less than a certain value, I will use all of C is less than B. It's true, right? Okay, let's see how to write if statements. I will use my editor now. So let me cook up a statement. If A is less than, or let me use less than B, I want to print I like mangoes. So this is the format for if statements. If a condition, open square brackets in the same line, print your statements for in the following lines and close these curly brackets. Let me run this, Control A and Control R, and it prints I like mangoes. Now how do you add an else statement? I have changed this sign here and added an else statement over here. Let me clear the screen and run this. Well, it throws an error. What happened there? It executed the first 3 lines well. After that, it is reading out a message, unexpected else in else. So this is not recognizing this else itself. That's a very common mistake that people do when dealing with if else statements and still don't know how to deal with it. So the mistake here is you have to have the else in the same line as the line in which you are closing the square curly brackets of the if statement. I have now made the correction. Let me clear this, and when I run this should work out well. If you want to add more if conditions after this else, you can do more conditions inside this. That should work very well without any problem. But whenever you are dealing with a else statement, make sure you take care of this line like this. Now OR also provides a more convenient way to do this, that is called if else statement. So if you want to check only one condition like we did here, if else statement should do. This is more like the if statement that you use in your Excel worksheets. That is, if this condition is true, execute the first command, or if that condition fails, execute the second command. So when I run this, I guess I haven't closed a bracket. Let me close it here itself. Now there it printed I like apples twice, which is what we don't expect. This I have seen it happen only with print statements. Say if I have something that does not print out, but let me do some just a simple calculation here. 1 plus 1 if A is greater than B, and 1 plus 2 if A is less than B. Now this statement should execute alright. See, A is greater than B gave me the result 3. If I choose A less than B, it should output 2. So to always be on the safer side, deal with if else statements like we have done it in this set of conditions. Try to avoid the if else condition. It sometimes gives undesirable results. So as long as you do this, you should be fine. Thanks for watching this video. We will catch up in the next.